The National Chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje, on Friday, 19 July 2024, carry waka entered the Arewa community for Benin City, Edo State, to ask them for their support ahead of the upcoming September election. Ogbonge persons wey join the National Chairman for this visit now, members of the National Working Committee, Edo APC governorship candidate Senator Okpebholo and the Deputy Honorable Dennis Idausa, the reinstated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu, Edo APC Chairman Jared Tenebe and other top party ogas. Oga Ganduje for him talk on the Arewa community say make dem come out plenty to vote Okpebholo and say Okpebholo na candidate wey go secure their interest for the state. He come also chook mouth on the court judgment wey reinstate Right Honorable Comrade Shaibu back as the Deputy Governor of Edo State, and also chook mouth on the inauguration of the APC National Campaign Council for the Edo 2024 governorship election. Ganduje constantly talk say,
Your Excellency, our incoming governor for Edo State, my brother, my friend, Monday, and his deputy, a young man, project man, House of Representatives of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in the Hausa, members of our National Working Committee who are here with us, our substantive chairman of APC, Edo State, and the members of your Executive Council, our dear brothers and sisters, members of the Arewa community. This Arewa community, you are from the 19 northern states of the Federation. Your forefathers came from different states from the north, but now you are settled in Edo State, you flourish in Edo State, your children schooling Edo State, most of you, your fathers were born here, you too, you are born here, you are fully integrated. That is the meaning of national integration. And that is why Edo State is a mini Nigeria. Edo State is a great state. Edo State is an oil-producing state. Edo State contributes a lot to the economy of Nigeria. Edo State contributes to the national integration. Therefore, you need a strong leader. You need an honest leader. You need our colleague leader, not MOU. Can you flourish on MOU? No. Oh. MOU na gentleman agreement. If it works, it's okay. If it doesn't work. But so far we have seen, for the last 80 years, MOU did not work. What you require now is project, and project. So Arewa community, we listen to you with keen interest. You remember, last 4 years, when there was an election, I was the chairman of the election committee. I was here in Benin. We held a mega rally of Arewa communities a large crowd, and they all voted for us. But what happened was mass rigging, and the ticket was stolen from us. But this time around, no stolen votes. We must win. Inshallah, we must win. So we believe you mean business. On the day of election, you know you will go very early to the polling booth, to the polling unit, and ensure that you cast your vote. If you cast your vote, don't go away. If you go away, they will steal your vote. You stay there. Let them count. Let them record on the appropriate official sheet and follow it to the collation. From there, follow it to the ward headquarters, to the state headquarters, until our Monday is declared a winner on Saturday. We came here from the national headquarters to do very important things here in Benin. First of all, we came in order to congratulate the former deputy governor and the now deputy governor, who is one of our own, Shaibu. He's now the deputy governor of Edo State of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Don't you have any doubt about that? He is the deputy governor number 2 in Edo State. And you know, he's a highly disciplined personality. He believes in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. When he was wrongly impeached, because of his respect to the Constitution, he stepped aside. He said, okay, thank you for that, but I will go to the court. It is the court that will determine. But meanwhile, he stepped aside. But now the court has reinstated him. Therefore, the government of Edo State, in particular the governor of Edo State, must recognize him as the deputy governor of Edo State. The chief judge of Edo State recognizes him as the deputy governor. The commissioner of police recognizes him as the deputy governor. The director of SSS recognizes him as the deputy governor. The legislature too must recognize him as the deputy governor. The people of Edo State have recognized him as the deputy governor. What more of Arewa community? What more of Arewa community? I'm happy to hear that you have recognized him as the deputy governor of Edo State. Another reason why we are here, we will receive the timber and caliber, the giants from PDP, some giants for a Labour Party coming into our party. We are here tomorrow we will receive them into our party. I'm not finished, oh. There is also another reason. There is also another reason why we are here. The National Working Committee with some governors, the governor of Cross River State, who is the chairman of the National Campaign Council for gubernatorial election in Edo State, will inaugurate that important council. That committee will work day and night until we win this election. There will be all wards of the state, all 18 local governments of the state. And later on, we are coming here for a mega rally, of which Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be here himself. You will see him live. Asuwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, will be here in Benin City in order to talk to you, in order to assure you, in order to ensure that you have the determination, the stamina, the strength, the perseverance to ensure that we win this election in Edo State. Are you ready for that? Are we assured you are ready for that? So, ladies and gentlemen, the Arewa community, we thank you for this gathering. We assure you, Edo State is a promising state. Edo State is a mini Nigeria. And our candidate, when he becomes the governor of Edo State, he will regard all sons and daughters of Edo State as equal, because they are all Nigerians. Daga wannan taro, in Allah ya yarda, na san mun ci wannan zaɓe. Domin ku ɗan Arewa mazauna wannan jiha. Wasu daga cikin ku kakannin kuma a nan aka haife su. Wasu iyayensu a nan aka haife su. Kuma a nan aka haife ku. A nan kuke sana'a. ‘Ya'yanku a nan suke makaranta.
Edo APC gubernatorial candidate Senator Monday Okpebholo and the deputy Honorable Dennis Idausa, as them dey yarn the Arewa community, come talk say when they win, them go reward the community for their good works.
Inshallah, government in Arewa ni. Ni naka ni. Banaka ba? Namu ni. Wana government na Arewa ni. Inshallah. Mr. Chairman, my greeting to you, sir. The National Working Committee members here present. My high regards to all of you. Well, today, it's not a day for me to give a long speech. I would have loved to do so because of the event of yesterday. You know, these people, they want to kill us because they know we are already winning them. They believe the sound of a gun will silence us, but it will never silence us. We will defeat them day or night, by the grace of God. They have suffered this state. They have taken our wealth away. They have plunged us into debt. By the grace of God, I though we never experience such again, in Jesus' name. Because a part of them, I grew up in the north. I know the culture of Arewas. So this government that we are coming to have come September 21st, I am telling you by the grace of God, they are going to be part of my government. When we enter there, we will look into them and solve their problems. I want to thank you, Mr. Chairman, for coming. I want to thank all the Arewas for a short notice that you are all present. That shows you love me. This election, we will prepare them. Bakaba, prepare them. Mr. Chairman, I want to thank you for coming to our dear state to come and speak to our people. The Arewa community, their love has always been organic for our party. I'm not going to speak much. I pray this time around, because we don't do one for bad people. But this time around, now they do one for the good person. And it will definitely reward you now. I say it will definitely reward you now. Inshallah, by the grace of God, in this incoming government, we will respect and protect the Arewa community.
DG of the campaign, Senator Matthew Rohide, contribute on waiting shele for one meeting where the Elders Council of the Muslim community hold, waiting for represent their candidate, Senator Okpebholo. In contact say.
Thank you. Another Chairman, sir, I want to welcome you very specially to Edo State. And then, of course, I want to welcome you to the warm embrace of the people of this state. Our candidates, and of course, our party leaders. Only yesterday, I was privileged to be at a meeting that was convened by the Elders Council of the Muslim community. I represented our candidates. At that meeting, it was very obvious to me that we were getting very quality support from a very critical segment of our state. You will see that the expression of support that we are getting from our candidate is real. And if we have this number of people supporting our candidate and our party, the request that you made, that was in form of a charter, I told you I was going to hand it over to our governorship candidate. That by the grace of God, inshallah, when he wins and comes to office, all those demands will be met.
The reinstated Edo Deputy Governor, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, we also joined body with the APC National Chairman for the visit, come here and say for him, APC na homecoming, even though say he never come. A constant talk say in come up for APC to support him boss as Deputy Governor, but now he don't return back also as Deputy Governor.
The chairman namu na Arewa na magana yanzu ya ce APC jami'a na gida shine APC ba haka yake ce ba. Wannan siyasa muna yin wane samu zabe shi wanda na ina ne na gida ko na waje ne, so muna jami'a na gida kuma samu zuwa Korea gwamnan na ina na gida nasu na waje ne, muna so gwamnan na waje, gwamnan na gida muke so. Wane gwamnan na gida Okpebholo, wane deputy governor na gida Enis da Hausa, ku saba masu. Chairman,
welcome to Edo State. What I was just saying now in my second language is that we welcome our chairman and all his entourage. And when one of the chairman was speaking now, he said APC is home party. Home party, the native party of the home. And I asked them, if APC is party of our home, who are we going to vote for? Are we voting for home boy or outside boy? They say they are voting for home boy. And who is the home boy? They say it's Monday Okpebholo. That is what they just said. And who is the home deputy governor? It is the Hausa. And they say they are going to vote 100% for them. That's what they just said. For me, APC is homecoming. It's homecoming. I've not come here, but it's homecoming. And I want to assure our chairman that by the grace of God, I left APC as deputy governor to support my boss. I'm back as deputy governor to APC. And by the grace of God, chairman, I want to assure you that we have two distinguished sons of Edo State. And by the grace of God, not by our power, by the grace of God, the momentum is already building up to crown them as the next governor and deputy governor of the state. And all of us, we are going to put our hands together to make sure that works. We are praying and we are going to put all our efforts.
The coming of the APC National Chairman Dr. Abdullahi Ganduje na sake of the inauguration of the National Campaign Council for the Edo 2024 governorship election, and also to receive some ogbonge persons as the campaign is back to APC from the People's Democratic Party and the Labour Party. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.